Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we are taking a look at the Ryobi 40V Cordless Hedge Trimmer 24-inch kit, a battery-powered hedge trimmer that comes complete with a lithium-ion battery and charger. If you've been searching for an easier way to keep hedges, shrubs, and bushes looking neat without dealing with extension cords or gas engines, this is definitely a tool worth checking out. So, is this product really worth buying? What do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? And why has the Ryobi 40V outdoor power platform become such a popular choice among homeowners? Let's find out. The first thing that stands out is the powerful 40-volt lithium-ion battery system. Ryobi claims this hedge trimmer delivers more power than a traditional 19 cubic centimeters gas hedge trimmer while eliminating the maintenance, fuel mixing, noise, and emissions that come with gas-powered equipment. For homeowners, that means push-button convenience with serious cutting performance. Looking at the cutting specifications, this model features a full 24-inch dual-action blade system. A longer blade means you can cover more hedge surface with every pass, helping you complete trimming jobs faster and create straighter, cleaner cuts. The dual-action blade design also helps reduce vibration, making extended trimming sessions more comfortable. Another important number is the 1-inch cutting capacity. In practical terms, that means the trimmer can handle surprisingly thick branches and dense hedge growth without constantly stopping to switch tools. Whether you're shaping decorative bushes or maintaining larger privacy hedges, that cutting capacity gives you plenty of versatility. Runtime is another area where this tool performs well. Using the included 40V battery, Ryobi rates the trimmer for over 45 minutes of operation on a single charge. That's enough time for many homeowners to complete routine trimming around the yard without needing a battery swap. And because it's part of the Ryobi 40V ecosystem, the battery is compatible with more than 85 different Ryobi outdoor power products, making it a great investment if you're building out a cordless lawn care collection. Comfort is another key advantage. The lightweight design, combined with the wraparound front handle, allows you to trim from multiple angles with better control. Whether you're working on vertical hedge walls, rounded shrubs, or horizontal hedge tops, the ergonomic handle design helps reduce fatigue and improves maneuverability. One feature that many users appreciate is the HEDGESWEEP debris remover. While trimming, hedge clippings often pile up on top of the hedge, making cleanup more difficult. This built-in attachment helps clear debris as you work, keeping your view unobstructed and helping you finish jobs faster. From a performance perspective, the tool delivers cutting speeds up to 3,200 strokes per minute. That fast blade movement helps create smooth, efficient cuts and allows the trimmer to move through dense growth with confidence. Despite its power, the unit weighs approximately 8 pounds, providing a solid balance between cutting capability and handling comfort. When it comes to value, the kit typically sells in the range of around $169 to $208 depending on retailer promotions and package configuration. Considering you receive the hedge trimmer, battery, and charger in one package, it offers a complete ready-to-use solution right out of the box. So why is this such a popular choice? It combines strong 40V performance, a generous 24-inch cutting blade, impressive 1-inch branch capacity, over 45 minutes of runtime, and the convenience of Ryobi's expanding battery platform. For homeowners looking to maintain hedges efficiently while avoiding the hassle of gas-powered equipment, it checks all the right boxes. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.